Local news for Wednesday, the 19th of August. The Commerce Commission has published a statement of preliminary issues relating to an application from Hayden Farms Limited, Energy Cage Free, and Rasmussen's Poultry Farms Limited seeking clearance to merge. Interested parties can comment by the end of the month, with a decision likely by September 18. Wairarapa Cortiva Young Viticulturist Regional Competition will take place tomorrow. The competition, now in its fifth year, will see contestants undergo a mix of practical and theoretical questions, as well as the bio-horse sports race. Wairarapa is set to host the national final in October. And work has begun on Masterton's Percy Reserve, installing of bollards and creating a 24-hour car park, amongst others, as well as protecting the green space from vehicles. Work is also underway. A footpath renewal program has also been accelerated in Masterton. And finally in sport, Harcourts and Wairarapa College are the two leading teams in the Premier Netball competition, both on 12 points and unbeaten after 3 rounds. Kia ora for local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.